Hey, what's up everyone? It's Scott here, your business and real estate expert at Exodus Capital. Today, we're diving into one of the biggest investing debates, futures versus options, and which one is the better strategy for 2025. Stick around till the end, because I'll break down how to use these strategies to profit in today's market. You don't want to miss this. Before we get started, hit that like button, subscribe, and share this video with anyone serious about making money in 2025. Let's spread the knowledge. All right, let's talk about why 2025 is a big year for traders. AI-driven trading is dominating the markets. Inflation concerns are shaking up commodities, and the Fed's rate decisions are keeping markets volatile. With all this uncertainty, smart investors are turning to futures and options to hedge risks and cash in on big moves. But which one should you choose? Let's break it down. Let's start with futures. If you want high leverage, direct exposure, and aren't afraid of risk, this is where you should be looking. Take oil futures, for example. With global energy policies shifting, crude oil futures have been swinging hard in early 2025. Some traders made huge profits, while others lost big. If you think gold is going higher in 2025, buying a futures contract lets you control a large position with less upfront capital. But if it drops, you could be in serious trouble. If you want to trade futures without getting burned, you need the right education. Our Exodus Capital stock investing course teaches you how to manage risk and profit like a pro. Check it out at exoduscapital.com. Now let's talk options. Unlike futures, options give you more control over risk and flexibility, but they require an understanding of time decay, volatility, and strike prices. A perfect example, Tesla in 2025. With Tesla's stock moving unpredictably, smart traders are using call options to bet on a rebound, or put options to hedge their risk. Instead of spending $20,000 on 100 shares of Tesla, you could control the same amount for a fraction of the price using call options. But if Tesla doesn't move fast enough, your option expires worthless. Options are powerful, but you need to know how to use them right. That's why we cover them in depth in our stock investing course. So, which one is better in 2025? It depends on your goals. If you want high leverage, direct exposure, and are comfortable with risk, futures. If you prefer lower capital investment, more flexibility, and defined risk, options. For beginners, options are usually the better choice because you can limit your risk. But if you're experienced and want to trade commodities, indexes, or currencies, futures might be for you. No matter which strategy you choose, success in 2025 will come down to three things. 1. Risk management. Don't go all in without a plan. 2. Market awareness. Stay ahead of economic trends. 3. Education. The best traders never stop learning. If you're serious about making money in stocks, options, or futures, then you need the right knowledge and mentorship. Our advanced course at Exodus Capital covers these strategies in detail. So, check it out if you're ready to take your trading to the next level. Let's move on to some advanced option strategies. One powerful strategy is the Iron Condor, which involves selling both a call and a put spread to profit from low volatility.